Hello everybody, welcome to Hard Reset Pro. Today I'm gonna show you an optimized charging on Google Pixel 8. So basically open up your settings and scroll down here to battery heals and charging optimization. And here you can toggle on the use charging optimization and choose between an adaptive charging, finished charging to 100% right before you normally unplug, and limit to 80%. Your phone will only charge to 80% battery. So basically that's it, that's the optimized charging on Google Pixel 8. So thank you for watching and subscribe for more.